This is chapter number 9, a very important chapter when it comes to grammatic. So second last important chapter of our, of our class, because 11 and 10 and 11 and 12, they are nothing. 9 and 10, these are the last two important chapters. So this chapter will help you talk about your family. Will help you talk about your, bed, like your home. So let's see, how do we gonna start with it? So this chapter also contains 70% of the vocabulary. Yeah, you have only two topics here, grammatic, and rest all of them are vocabulary. So as many as you learn, the better it is. So let's see what is a chapter. The chapter says meine Wohnung. Meine Wohnung, that means apartment. So you have got it. What is the base of the chapter? Meine Wohnung. So if it is having the article meine, what is the bestimmt article for Wohnung? If the possessive article is meine, what's the bestimmt article?
Die
Wohnung. Richtig. That's die Wohnung, that's the apartment. So let's see, what do we need to learn, or what do we need to know about the apartment in German? Interesting. Yeah. So first things first, we have been given here a few pictures. You can see here, Spülmaschine, Fernseher, Stuhl, Kühlschrank, and you have Arbeitszimmer, Kinderzimmer, Schlafzimmer. Zimmer is bedroom, and Bad and toilet, right? So there are four names given कि हम क्या कौन से जगह को क्या बोलते हैं in German. Bad is your bathroom. Toilet is your toilet. Flur is the hallway. Arbeitszimmer, your working room. Schlafzimmer is your bedroom. Then let's see, was noch haben wir here. Kinderzimmer, that's your children room, kids room. Then we have more here. I think, yeah, we have Küche. Küche is kitchen, the Küche. Then we have das Wohnzimmer, that is the living room, and der Balkon, that is the balcony. So now you have got 6 places at your home: toilet, Bad, Schlafzimmer, Arbeitszimmer, Kinderzimmer, Wohnzimmer, Küche, Balkon, and your work is to arrange these things according to their location. Where would you put head? So what do you think head is? क्या लग रहा है? What is head? क्या हो सकता है? What is head?
dishwasher.
Oven. Sorry, gas stove.
It is a gas stove. It's not dishwasher. It's a gas stove. So where do we put gas stove?
Die Küche.
Küche. So you have understood your task. You have to read all the names, and the most important thing, whenever you are learning the nouns, because the first page is all about the nouns, Lampe, Schrank, Herd, Zimmer, Bad, everything. Whenever you're reading the nouns, please do remember the article. If you don't remember the bestimmt article, then आगे की चीजें तो समझ ही नहीं आने वाली है. So the first and foremost thing, not only the meaning, the article is it's equal. You have to remember it. So here is your stove, and it goes to the Küche. So arrange all the items here, and then we can discuss where should we put which thing. Do it bitte. Nehmen Sie 2 oder 3 Minuten Zeit und dann machen Sie das. Okay, then beginnen Sie, Samriddhi. Wir beginnen mit dem ersten, das Bad. Okay, was steht im Bad? What can be placed in a bathroom? So,
Die Waschmaschine.
die Waschmaschine, ja, richtig. Und?
That's it, I guess.
That's it for Bad. Anybody, anything for Bad? Nobody. Okay. Sana, was können wir im Arbeitszimmer stellen? Was können wir im Arbeitszimmer stellen?
Der Schreibtisch und die Lampe.
Der Schreibtisch und die Lampe. Okay. Anything else?
No, I don't think.
Okay. Ashwin, Schlafzimmer, bitte.
Yeah, Schlafzimmer. Das Bild.
Okay. Und
Der Schrank.
das Bild and der Schrank. Okay. And bed कहाँ जाएगा? Bed,
Yeah, yeah, das Bett ist schon das Bett.
das Bed. Okay. Then Revati for Kyusha. Was stellen wir in der Küche?
The coffee machine,
Kaffeemaschine. Okay, die Kaffeemaschine und
their Kühlschrank,
der Kühlschrank. Okay.
the Spülmaschine,
Die Spülmaschine. Okay, Spülmaschine. Mhm. Und
der Herd,
der Herd. Okay. Okay, im Wohnzimmer bitte. Anybody? Samriti, Wohnzimmer?
Das Sofa.
Das Sofa. Okay.
Der Sessel.
Der Sessel. Richtig. Okay.
Der Fernseher.
Der Fernseher. Richtig.
Der Tisch.
Und der Tisch. Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Und der Balkon, Sana? Was stehen oder was steht in der Balkon? In dem Balkon.
Der Stuhl und der Tisch.
Okay. Und wo geht der oder wohin stellt wir der Teppich? Teppich, anybody? Carpet?
That should either be in das Wohnzimmer or it can also be in das Bad because I have one in my.
Bad. Okay, but bathroom one, it's like it's the shorter version of a teppich. We don't actually put a carpet in bathroom because teppich yeah, rugs, that's why I told you it's like the length is different. But here the teppich that's given in the picture, it's more like a huge one. So better is Wohnzimmer. If the length is, es ist, wenn es eine kleine Teppich sein, dann kann es auch wir im Bad stellen. Aber jetzt im Wohnzimmer. Okay, then I think rest of it we have already placed. Okay, Regal. Where did we put Regal?
Regal in Kinderzimmer. Kinderzimmer.
Kinderzimmer. Okay. Regal, Kinderzimmer. Kann sein. Floor. Hallway में क्या आ सकता है इसमें से? Anything that you can put up in the hallway? Which could
Der
be.
Teppich.
the lamp,
Okay. Anything like here. Kühlschrank. German wale normally अपना Kühlschrank either they place in the Küche or they place it right at the outside of the Küche and in the hallway they place it. So you can hallway can be a place. Okay, good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Sana.
Kühlschrank is a fridge, so shouldn't it be in the kitchen?
Yeah, so I told you like either they can place the maximum time they place it either in the kitchen or sometimes it can also be in the hallway. Because the hallway section in a German house is right outside the kitchen, you know. So it depends upon if the kitchen is bigger, then they can definitely place it. Otherwise, spule machine and everything, it gets a bit of, you know, what do you call that? Chaotic. That's why they like to place it sometimes in the hallway. Sometimes. Yeah. Okay. So here The wichtigsten, am wichtigsten is the nomen here. The most important thing is here the nouns. You need to remember all of them along with the